Hey, I'm your guide to free AI tools and self-hosted tech. Every week, I test, build, and break things so you don't have to. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm handing a fresh Ubuntu server over to an AI agent and asking it to do something most tutorials never show: a full security audit, real vulnerabilities, and a complete fix. No fluff. Let's see what it finds. First, I gave Hermes one instruction: harden this server to production standards. Watch what it does on its own. It disabled root login over SSH completely. It enforced key-only authentication, so passwords don't even work anymore. It limited login attempts to 3 tries, installed fail2 ban to automatically block anyone trying to brute force their way in, and created a proper non-root admin account with sudo access. This is exactly what I do manually for a client server, except it took under 2 minutes instead of 30. But basic hardening isn't enough, so I asked it to go deeper: a full production security audit. And this is where it got interesting. Hermes checked network security, SSH configuration, user permissions, kernel parameters, running services, file system security, and logging. 10 full sections. It found that SUID core dumps were enabled, a real privilege escalation risk most people don't even know exists. It found unprivileged namespace cloning was unrestricted, a known container escape vector. It found audit logging wasn't installed at all, plus a few low-severity issues: unnecessary services running, missing packet logging. 3 medium findings, 3 low findings. This is genuinely senior-level security analysis, not a surface-level checklist. So I told it one thing: apply these remediations now. It locked down the kernel parameters, blocked those core dumps, restricted namespace cloning, disabled the unnecessary services, and installed a full audit logging system. 21 rules covering identity changes, sudo modifications, SSH config, user changes, and login tracking. And it didn't stop there. On its own, it added 2 bonus protections I didn't even ask for: kernel pointer restriction to stop attackers from leaking memory addresses, and ptrace restriction to block process injection attacks. That's the kind of extra diligence you'd expect from someone who actually understands security, not just someone following a script. So let's check the final score. Before: 3 medium findings, 3 low findings. After: 0 critical, 0 high, 0 medium, 0 low. Every single issue found and fixed, with 2 extra hardening rules added for good measure. That's a server that went from a fresh install to fully production ready, audited, fixed, and re-verified in one session. That's a free AI agent taking a server from vulnerable to production ready in minutes. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I'm building and testing AI tools like this every single week. Drop a comment with what you want me to test next. Until then, keep building.